Hello, everybody.
Hello, Miss. Good morning. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good morning. Now, see, we are doing the functional group table. You all remember that? Yes? How many
Yes.
functional groups are over, beta?
4.
What were they?
Alkanes, alkynes, and haloalkanes.
Okay, now we will be learning alcohols in the tabular format. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
See, this is the table which we are following for all the functional groups. So same we are following for alcohols also. Class of compound is alcohols. The functional group of alcohols you all know is dash OH. This group is also known as hydroxy group. Correct? The common name that is used while naming alcohol is alcohol. And the suffix in the IUPAC system is OL. Correct? General structure is R dash OH. General structure is R dash OH. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what will be the general formula?
CnH2n plus 1 OH.
Any other formula? Any other formula? इसी में से निकल सकता था देखो.
CnH2n plus 2O.
वेरी गुड. देखो इसी में से निकला जो फॉर्मूला आई थिंक तनिषा ने बोला, शायद आवाज से ऐसा लगा. CnH2n plus 1 OH, ये खुशी ने बोला. अभी अगर इस H को मैं इधर ऐड कर दूं तो हो जाएगा CnH2n plus 2O. Do you agree?
Yes, miss.
Now, examples we can write. In the common system, we will call it alkyl. And in the IUPAC system, we will write alk plus an plus all. What is the word root? Alk. What is the primary suffix? An. And what is the secondary suffix? OL. This much clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I write the examples?
yes, ma'am.
Tell me, if number of carbons are 1, what is the alkyl group?
Methane.
No, alkyl
Methyl.
group.
Methyl.
What is the formula of methyl?
CH3.
CH3.
CH3 is wrong.
CH3 dash.
CH3 dash.
And what is the functional group?
OH.
OH.
What is the name of CH3 dash? Everybody should participate.
Methyl alcohol.
No, I asked, what is the name of CH3 dash? But
Methyl.
Methyl.
what is the functional group?
Alcohol.
No, alcohol is not a functional group. Alcohol is the class of the compound. What is the functional group?
OH.
OH.
Dash OH, not OH. What is the functional group?
Dash.
Dash
OH.
What is dash OH known as?
Alcohol.
Hydroxy group.
What is dash OH known as? Hydroxy group.
Hydroxy.
What is the suffix to be used in common name?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Can you say dash OH is alcohol?
Yes.
No. You can
No.
never say dash OH is alcohol. अगर मैंने dash OH सोडियम को लगा दिया तो क्या अल्कोहल बनेगा?
Nice.
So can you say dash OH is alcohol?
No.
No,
No and
ma'am.
never. What can you say? Dash OH is only the
Hydroxy group.
And this hydroxy group, if it is connected to carbon, then it can make a,
Alcohol.
is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
How many carbons in the long chain?
1.
One.
What is the word root for one carbon?
Net.
Net.
What is the primary suffix?
And
And
What is the secondary suffix?
all.
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 Shall I use any prefixes or numbers in the common and IUPAC respectively?
No, ma'am.
No.
Why not?
No isomers. No isomers.
No isomers, no prefix, no numbers. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, how many carbons I have to take?
2.
If I am taking 2 carbons, then what is the alkyl group I can make? Everybody
Alkyl.
should participate.
Heat
What is
5.
the structure of alkyl group?
Yes, 3
C2H5 dash.
dash.
What is the condensed structural formula?
C2H5.
No, that is the molecular
CH3
formula.
CH2 dash.
Very good, Monish. CH3, CH2 dash. What is the functional group?
OH.
Dash OH. See, same mistake you are doing. That means you are not that alert. Understanding, Monish? You're not alert. You're saying OH again and again. What is the functional group?
Dash OH.
What is the name of dash OH?
Hydroxy
group.
What is the name of CH3, CH2 dash?
Ethyl.
What is the suffix in common system for dash OH if it is connected to carbon?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
How many carbons in the word
Alcohol.
root?
2.
What is the word root for 2?
8.
What is the carbon-carbon single bond? Why I am asking? An is the primary suffix of carbon-carbon single bond. What is the secondary suffix?
All.
All.
Shall I use any numbers?
No.
Why not?
No isomers.
No isomers, no prefixes, no numbers. What is the reason?
No isomers. No prefixes, no numbers.
No number.
Very good. How many carbons I should take next?
3.
3.
With 3 carbons, how many isomeric alkyls I can make?
2.
2.
What are the 2?
CH3, CH, 1 unused bond, and
Go,
again
go, go order wise. What is the first group I will make?
CH3, CH2, CH2 dash.
Yeah. What is the other group I will make?
CH3, CH, unused bond, and 1 more CH3.
Why others are not answering? What is the functional group? Everyone should answer.
Dash OH.
What is the functional group here?
Dash
Dash
OH.
What is the name of dash OH?
Hydroxy.
Okay, what is the name of Chatri Chatu Chatu dash?
N-propyl.
N-propyl. Why not only propyl?
There are
Because it has
Isomers.
Isomers. Okay, what is the name of this group? CH3, CH dash, CH3?
Propyl.
Or isopropyl. Okay, very good. What is the suffix in both the cases?
alcohol.
Alcohol.
What is the word root? What is the word root?
Prop.
One prop.
What is the word root in second case?
Prop.
What is the primary suffix in both the cases?
And
Why we are writing an?
Carbon symbol.
Okay, what is the secondary suffix?
All.
All.
Why I have left some space?
To write the number.
Number.
Why to write the number?
Because there are isomers.
What is the number?
1.
1. 2.
So propan 1 all, propan 2 all. Is this clear?
Yes.
Everybody, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it. Shall I wait for 5 minutes sufficient?
Yes.
Okay, write it.
Yes. Ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very nice, lovely.
Done, miss.
Yes, very nice. Now see, if this group is on what is the name? Anybody?
Phenol.
That's a wrong answer. Okay, tell me, what is this known as? What is this known as?
Cyclohexane.
Cyclohexane. So if I remove one H from cyclohexane, it will become,
Cyclohexyl.
and hence the name of this compound becomes.
Cyclohexyl alcohol or cyclohexanol.
Very good. Cyclohexyl alcohol is the common name,
Yes, ma'am.
and cyclohexanol is the IUPAC name. अब देखो, कई लोगों ने फिनॉल बोला और बिल्कुल ऐसी ही मिस्टेक होती है फाइनल्स में, क्योंकि जो दिया नहीं होता वो हमें दिखता है. अब मुझे बताओ, फिनॉल बनाने के लिए ये रिंग कैसा होना चाहिए?
Alternate single
Alternate double
double.
bond.
यानी इस रिंग का नाम क्या है?
Benzene.
और बेंजीन में से एक H निकाला तो क्या बनेगा?
Phenyl.
फिनाइल पे अगर OH लगा दिया तो क्या बनेगा?
Phenol.
तो जब आपने इस स्ट्रक्चर, द previous structure, I mean cyclohexyl alcohol, that is cyclohexanol, you called it phenol. Don't you think it is total absence of mind?
Yes.
Yes, because some people told it, some did not speak loudly, but they were thinking about phenol only. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is not correct. Whenever a question comes in front of you, don't think it is a weak question. Never think that way. Give your 100% attention to the question and solve. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Its
Yes.
another name is hydroxybenzene, and its another name is benzenol, and its another name is carbolic acid. This tells phenol is acidic in nature. It is acidic in nature. You know, carb means coal. And you all know the meaning of oleum. I told you somewhere.
Oil.
Oil. Phenol is basically coal oil. Phenol is basically coal oil. Phenol is a coal oil obtained by destructive distillation of coal. It is a middle oil. It is a middle fraction. यानी जब डिस्टिलेशन करते हैं तो सबसे शुरू में या सबसे आखिर में फिनॉल नहीं मिलता, कहीं बीच में फिनॉल मिलता है. It is a middle oil. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me, can I say alcohol and phenol are same?
No, miss.
No, no way. Phenol acid है और alcohol तो neutral है. Can they be same?
No, ma'am.
Never. But they have same
Suffix.
Functional group.
functional group. They have same suffix. That is,
Poet.
OL.
but they have different.
Characters.
They have different
Class.
properties.
Property.
And properties decide the class of
Compound.
compound. So, alcohols and phenols have same functional group, same suffix, but they show different properties and belong to different class of organic compound. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How will you identify कि alcohol कौन है, phenol कौन है? Anyone? अच्छा बताओ, ये जो कार्बन है जिस पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है, जिस भी कार्बन पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप होता है ना, चाहे वो फंक्शनल ग्रुप डैश OH हो, और इट इज डैश Cl, और इट इज डैश NH2, or whatever, carbon carrying functional group is called alpha carbon. Carbon carrying functional group is called,
Alpha
Alpha
carbon.
carbon.
when the alpha carbon is aliphatic, it's an alcohol, and when the alpha carbon is aromatic, it's a phenol. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the alpha carbon?
Carbon carrying the functional group.
Functional group.
And when the carbon carrying dash OH group is,
Aliphatic.
then the compounds are,
Alcohol.
and if the carbon carrying dash OH group is,
Aromatic.
then the compound is a,
Phenol.
do you want to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it.
Done, ma'am.
I'm right.
Done?
Done, ma'am.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
is this clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm giving you
Yes.
one structure. Just try to
Yes.
do it and tell me following things. I'm writing the questions. This is the structure. I want its functional group. I want class of compound. I want common name. And I want IUPAC name. Tell me. Come on. Hello.
Functional group will be dash OH.
Okay.
Class will be alcohols.
Okay. Do you remember this group? Anyone? This group. I gave you this group. Okay, it is a benzyl group. So it is benzyl alcohol. Can anyone make the IUPAC name? Long chain has only one carbon. For one carbon, we write meth and all. And this is the substituent. What is the name of the substituent?
Cyclohexane.
No,
Benzene.
cyclohexane is not having this round. This is benzene. I told you for benzene, we can make round instead of alternate bonds. What is the name of this group, this substituent?
Benzene.
Oh my God, no way. It is benzene with a dash. It is a phenyl group. See, you have to be very careful. Benzene is C6H6. Just check. Is it C6H6? No, यहाँ पे H नहीं आएगा. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, please write it. लिख लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Huh? That's all for today. Now we will go to the next part, which I'm not recording. We'll be having a very good interactive session. I'll just end the recording here first. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.